Hey everybody, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. We have a GE dryer here, and this one's making some noises, a little squeaking noise. Show you. Hear that? So, just a quick noise fix for these GEs. Number one thing is usually this inside tub. So this plastic part, this is called a tub bearing. That usually wears down. And it'll wear down to the point where, not on this one, but it'll wear down to the point where the tub, you can see the tub through here if you letting it squeak. So that's just the obvious repair, the obvious fix for it. But this is the next one. These things sometimes need to be adjusted. As you can see, the tub right there is actually hitting the frame. Fix for that is if you push here and pull here on the corner, and you'll see it move. See that moving? So sorry, I got one hand, so I'm pushing here with my leg, or I usually push here with this hand and push here with this hand to adjust that corner. If it's the issue is this corner, you obviously do the opposite. Here and here. And after you put the lid on, that will actually help stabilize it also. But usually sometimes they're just bent. And so I'll show you again. See how it's moving? It's gotta move back. So really tight. And sometimes the surface you're sitting on will affect it too. See? Now it's nice and quiet. So what we'll do is I'll put the top on and retest it again, because sometimes I'll readjust it, but that should fix it. So if it's squeaking, if your bearings are good, your front tub bearing is good, that plastic bearing is good, check check that tub to see if it's hitting the edge right there. In both sides. So I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna put the top on and see if it still does it. Alright, so we got the lid on. It's pretty quiet. I hear a little noise, so I'm just gonna yeah, see, it's way better. Yeah, so basically put a knee right here and the hand here and squeeze. And that thing will just move it. I'll adjust it. So quick small little tip on your squeaking GE dryer. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance.